I get asked this question often. Do I really need to put 20% down when I buy a home? Well, do you? Let's find out. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Barbara Natty. I'm a realtor with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services right here in Southington, Connecticut. So if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you'll be notified every time I put out a new video. So today we're going to be talking about down payment. Let's start with the basics. What is a down payment? A down payment is the cash a buyer puts down on a home expressed as a percentage. So say a buyer was purchasing a $250,000 home and they put 10% down, they would be putting $25,000 down. The balance, $225,000, would be financed with a mortgage. When a buyer puts an offer on a home, they will initially put down an earnest money deposit, usually of about 1% of the purchase price. This will come off of the total down payment at closing. I'll discuss earnest money deposits in more depth in a future video. A down payment can come from a buyer's savings account, in some cases a buyer's retirement plan, or be a gift. Now, all lenders do require a down payment. However, there are some loan types that don't require one. Let's compare those now. Number one is going to be a VA loan. Number two, a USDA loan. And number three, a CHFA with DAP loan. First up, VA loans. VA loans were created for military personnel to purchase homes with 0% down. These loans also do not require mortgage insurance, which can be a big money saver. VA loans are for active duty and retired military, and they cover all branches, including the National Guard and reservists. USDA loans are offered in certain rural areas. These loans do require specific qualifications for the home location as well as for the buyer. The home must be located in a USDA approved area, and the buyer must meet specific income qualifications. These loans are 0% down, and the buyer's closing costs may be financed. The last 0% down loan type is a CHFA loan with DAP. These loans are generally for first-time homebuyers or for homebuyers who haven't owned a home in 3 or more years. The DAP part, down payment assistance, is either given as a grant, which does not have to be paid back, or as a loan, basically a second mortgage on the home that will be paid back along with the first mortgage. This allows the buyer to purchase without putting any money down. The next loan types do require a down payment. They are FHA loans and conventional loans. FHA loans are a federally backed loan that requires a 3.5% down payment. They also offer up to 6% back in closing costs. We'll have more about closing costs in a future video. FHA loans do have limits based on the county you're buying in and are usually for buyers who just can't afford the conventional down payments. For a buyer purchasing a $250,000 home and putting 3.5% down, they would have a down payment of $8,750. The last loan type we're talking about today is a conventional loan. These loans are not backed by the government and generally require a higher credit score of the buyer as well as a higher down payment, at least 5%. So on that same $250,000 house with 5% down, you would be spending $12,500 on a down payment, which is $3,750 more than it would be on an FHA loan. With a conventional mortgage, a buyer could put down as much as 20% or even more. If this is possible, it's the best option to avoid paying PMI or mortgage insurance, and it's going to get that buyer the lowest monthly payment possible. So on that same $250,000 house, they would be putting a down payment of $50,000 and only mortgaging $200,000. So to answer your question, no, you do not have to put 20% down to purchase a home. You can do it with as little as no money down, but it is a great option if you are able to do so. If you're wondering which option works best for you, feel free to reach out, leave a message in the comments below, and I will get you in touch with a mortgage lender that can let you know what option is best. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Make it a great home selling and buying day.